Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing hair from IUPin hair, and this is how it's looking from this company. It's premium lace wig from IUPin, and of course I had to go and get my cornrows lens shule. Yeah, I got it for but since I've lighted the studio, I think I should show you the wig that I have, and just remove my sweater because what. So this is how it's looking. I forgot, like I don't know where the clip, like things are going very fast for me. This is a 22-inch size, comes with the inch size there. Yeah, and then it's written here also 22 inches, guys, 22 inches. And I decided to go with these highlights. Let's just unbox it. The box that it came with, I have just, the content is missing, guys. Let me stop talking so much, right? This is how it's looking. That's how it's looking. This is my first time having this color, guys. My big edge is when I'm trying colors, but I wanted to be safe. And still, one day I'm gonna get this color all over the wig, like from the roots and up. But I decided to be safe and get like highlights. You see, black roots and then highlights. This is how the wig is looking inside. And it comes with a comb, and then a comb here and elastic band, you can see there. And yeah, I'll tell you every detail of it. You see, I wanted a closure. It comes with, wow, it's like the name, it comes with lashes. And then it comes with this. It's like they know it. I don't need to use the other thing I use. And then two cool mesh weaving cap. Let me just remove my sweater because it's getting hot. 5x5 pin glueless undetectable lace wig, and I was like, I wanted to use like ghost bond glue. I remembered I've applied makeup here, so it's a good thing it's a glueless install. We love that, so I'm gonna do it. And I want closure because like it's easier to maintain. I love the way it has, so it's a very easy install. I love the lace. The lace is super transparent, guys. You see, I don't even need to put any makeup on it because it's super transparent, and you can already see. Can you see? I don't need to do anything than just to cut this wig. How do I look, guys? How does your kemoto look? The hair is 150 density, guys. Like there's nothing I've done to this hair. Like it's already ready to go. The picture, you see what I ordered versus what I got. See, it looks exactly like the picture. I love the bouncy curls. Like who? I am who? Kemoto. Say that name with respect. Okay, guys, let's do, like I don't even need to style it. I wanted to use this, but this one is the one you use on your mini. But I literally don't have to do anything to this wig. I love that, and that's what I was looking for when I was ordering this. and I think it has small baby hairs, so if I want to lay the edges, so I want to cut the lace and then I want to tell you a story time. This wig is just self-explanatory. Yeah, like I love this. Okay, there's frontal, but the thing is I've never used like the frontal to the full advantage, even 360. Yeah, that's what I do. Because it comes with also the baby hair, so we need to cut the lace. That's the only thing this thing needs, cutting the lace. So it already comes like with this. Oh no, let's cut this lace. I'm gonna cut this lace without cutting the baby hair. How am I gonna do this? So I'm using something that is zigzag so that the lace doesn't look like perfection. I love this lace. I didn't even put, like, it's a transparent undetectable invisible lace, and it flawless melts with the scalp. It melts with the scalp, and it's a protective style, and the hair is 100 virgin hair from one donor. Can you see the way it melts? Like, I haven't put foundation, nothing. Like, this lace is everything. It's very comfortable, and you can adjust the cap. This is the lace. You see, the lace is, it melts with your tone. Guys, I want to tell you about my life updates. I need to tell you about my life update, guys. Like, yo, I don't know when you're seeing this video, I guess on the Friday, but yo, I was sick. I don't know if you can tell my voice is hoarse still. Okay, let me cut this part. Okay, so guys, the lace is cut, and it's 5 by 5. See, did you see what I did, what it did there? Guys, how do you love me with blonde? Be honest, leave a comment down below. How do you love me with blonde? I'm gonna be trying new colors, but how do you like me with blonde? It comes dyed, in case I didn't tell you. Okay, let me get my brush. Okay, don't mind, let's continue. So I want the curls to be looser, so I'm gonna brush with this comb, like a wide tooth comb, so that they have like more body. Guys, let me know what you think about the color. Wow, and it's 22 inches. I need to stand up so that you guys can see. So I like it. What do you guys say? So this is all the thing about the hair. The link will be on the description box down below. Plus hair color is 1B27 ombre. Yeah, it's an ombre effect with 1B. So, and it can be dyed. The straps are adjustable. Yeah, and it will last you 1 year. So let's talk about this. Where was I? I don't even look like me. Sorry guys, I'm so bad, and I'm sorry, I'm so bad at telling story time, but I'm gonna tell it because there's so many story times that are okay, wait, first it's looking a little dirty over here. It's this, I'm using olive oil sheen extra shine hair polish. Yeah, Anyway, so I was back to this wig. The color is ombre, the highlights is ombre, and then the black is 1B, and it came dyed, and I love it. Like, I've never had something. This is my first time trying this color, and more to come. So let me know down below, what are you guys thinking? What are you thinking? Anyway, that's all, guys.